Okay, so welcome to CodeChamp. Today in this class, I'm going to tell you how to make a storybook. As you can see on my screen that this is a storybook. With the help of this here, we will use AI music and AI voice both. First of all, I just want to play it so that you can check that how it will look like. It will be something like this. This is the first screen. And after this, we will move to the
Hello,
second
I'm
one.
Aaron. I am a good magician. Hello, I'm Avery. I like dancing.
Like this, you can create. So for this, we will go to the Canva. After this, we will click here on the create option. And after clicking on the create option, we will type here storybook. Remember that you should give the space in the between the storybook. Just open this one. Here you will get different types of size. Let it be open first. Here you will get, just choose any free one, which one you like, as I'm going to take this one. Here you can see total 9 pages are here. Which one you like, choose that one. Suppose I'm taking this one. Now click on add page. Again go to the design option. Here you will get the same thing. Just choose another one, which one you like. Like this, I am taking 2 pages. First of all, you should type here your title. Like I'm taking here 3 crazy friends. Here, few characters are here. If you don't like it, you can just delete. You can take your own character. For taking the character, go to elements and type here cartoon. After this, click here on graphics. Here you will get different types of character. Just choose which one you like, as no need to take the pro one because here you are using the free version. So for example, I'm taking one this, and second character I'm going to take this one. And here by your name, as I'm typing code champ. Here I want to take the voice. For taking the voice, just click here. Click on this pencil, generate AI voice, and suppose he is speaking. So, hello, I am Aaron. I am a good dancer. Click on it and click here on generate AI voice. In the same way, we will click here on the second character. Now just type here, I'm Jolly. I'm a good magician. Same voice I'm taking, and again click here on generate AI voice. Remember, when both voices are there, you should just set both voices from the first and the second one. In the same way, here you will just come to the second page. And same, you can just take the character and type the title. Then it will look something like this.
Hello, I am Aaron. I am a good dancer. Hello, I am Jolly. I am a good magician.
And if you want that it will move, then you can use animation also, like this. In the same way, you can choose this one. Then it will come something
Hello, I
like
am
this.
Aaron. I am a good dancer. Hello, I am Jolly. I am a good magician.
Okay. So like this, you can do. Now you can start.